Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you gluten-free tofu wraps. These rotis and puris that I'm be showing you and featuring in this video are from Someys Kitchen. They had sent me their entire range of products, that is whole wheat rotis, pickles, and gluten-free puris and rotis for the review. So I'm using those rotis and I'm going to be creating a recipe. Someys Kitchen had sent me their entire range of products. The PR contacted me and she sent me the entire range of products. I really liked using all the products. There is something for everyone. You can just pick and choose your rotis, or you can, if you're a pickle lover, you can choose their fish pickles or chicken pickles. It's wonderful. So their entire range of products are extremely versatile. There's something for everybody. It's all natural ingredients used in the gluten-free puris and the rotis. A few ingredients that I have to name out is millets, chickpeas flour, and tapioca flour, flaxseed flour, millet flour, ragi flour, rice bran oil, and RO purified water. All the rotis are prepared with RO purified water. So there are very natural ingredients used in this product, FSSAI certified, and it's a wonderful product. So overall, people with gluten allergy or even without gluten allergy like to eat gluten-free diets in order to maintain their health and blood sugar levels. So it is a wonderful product for everyone. So do try this puris and chapatis from Someys Kitchen. They come in vacuum sealed packs and it is very neatly packed. Every single puri or the chapati is layered with the plastic in between, and it's semi-cooked. So even the puri or the chapati, it's semi-cooked. You just have to recook it again. You either have to fry it or you have to just toast it in some butter or oil on the skillet, and you have to eat it. So it's a wonderful product, especially for people who want gluten-free options in their dietary. You can opt for Someys Kitchen. This is a semi-cooked chapati and puri that you can prepare at home. A few products which is gluten free, and Someys Kitchen is one such product that is providing us with gluten free options. Now the ingredients that I'll be using for the tofu wraps is tofu, which is cut into cubes, onions which is sliced, and also bell peppers. I'm using 3 different colors bell peppers: red, yellow, and green. All the onions and the bell peppers are thinly sliced. We'll need some lettuce, chili powder, garam masala, and a little bit of curry powder. Some tomatoes. The tomatoes I'll use for the stuffing. And for the wraps I'll be using gluten-free chapatis. Now I'm going to start preparing the filling first. I've heated a pan on medium flame. To the pan I've added 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, I'm just going to fry the tofu. I also used a little bit of paneer that I had at home. Since the tofu was very less quantity, I wanted to use up the paneer that I had, so I've also used a little bit of paneer in this recipe. You can do that. You can mix and match paneer and tofu, and you can do that. Now to the tofu and paneer, I'll be adding chili powder, curry powder, and garam masala along with salt. I'm using half the amount of chili powder, garam masala, and curry powder. We need to add that chili powder, garam masala even on the bell peppers and onions. So I'll just fry this tofu a little bit. We just need to toast it a little bit. It doesn't have to cook all the way through. You can add little bit of water to avoid the masalas from burning. So I added little bit of water so that the tofu also cooks well and the masalas are cooked evenly. Now till the water evaporates, I'm just going to fry it and reserve it on a plate. It's a very simple filling. Any time you can prepare it and store it in the refrigerator and use it as required. So once the water evaporates, the masala has cooked and the tofu is ready. So I'm just going to reserve it on a plate. Make sure you don't stir it very hard so that your tofu chunks are intact. Otherwise it will crumble fast. Now I'm just going to reserve this on a plate. I'll use the same pan to fry my capsicum and onions. Now I'll add the remaining masala along with salt and a splash of water. I'll cook this bell pepper, onion for a minute's time. I'll cook this bell pepper and onion for a minute's time, or until the water or the moisture evaporates. I'll just cook it on low to medium flame. The masala also should not burn, so that's the reason I've added water. Now I'll be preparing a honey chili sauce for the wraps. Using mayonnaise is optional. I'll be using mayonnaise, tomato ketchup and honey, all equal amounts. If you're using mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of honey. And I'll be using paprika powder. You can use sweet paprika or the chili paprika. It's up to you. I'll be adding half a tablespoon of paprika powder to the mayonnaise, chili powder and honey. And I'll give this a good whisk. So this sauce is ready. Recipe in detail will be posted in the description box below this video. A detailed review will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon about this video which will direct you to my blog. Now the capsicum and onions have cooked. I'm just going to remove from the flame. I'll start frying the rotis on a skillet. It just takes hardly a minute's time on each side to fry. Just add a little bit of oil and fry it on both sides. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All the links to my social media will also be in the description box below this video. All recipes and reviews are also posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. So you can subscribe to me on YouTube channel as well. Now I'm also going to be showing you how we fry the puris. We serve the puris with some aloo curry and chutney. The puris don't puff up much, but it tasted good. What you can do is you can also prepare gluten-free tacos using the puris. It's a very nice option. It's got that crispy crunch feel to it. You can prepare tacos using it. People who like millet products or who have tasted millet products from childhood will definitely like their product range. But people who are new to millets and new to eating gluten-free options, they will have to eat all this gluten-free chapatis and puris with a spicy pickle or some spicy dipping sauce. So I've laid out all the ingredients for the wraps. I'm going to prepare the wraps now. In a plate I've just laid out the roti. I'm going to layer it with some tomato, then the tofu and bell pepper masala that I prepared. A very simple wrap. Anybody can prepare it. You can also use chicken or fish for this recipe. It depends on your taste and preference. I'm just going to drizzle that honey chili sauce, which turned out really good. I really enjoyed it. and I've served it. A very simple tofu wrap. So do try this recipe, friends. We get all the ingredients in India, and I'll also post the link to Someys Kitchen. You also find Someys Kitchen products on Big Basket. I'll post all the links in the description box below this video. Now I've gone ahead and served my roti wraps and the puri. I've served the puri with aloo curry and chutney. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. The detailed recipe will be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.